So here is a Base44 AI tutorial for beginners. Base44 AI is a powerful AI-driven app builder that lets you create full applications quickly using simple prompts without needing to code everything from scratch. It's designed to help you move fast from idea to working app, making it perfect for beginners and creators who want to build and launch apps faster than ever. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on my link below to start using Base44 AI and begin building apps fast right now. So after clicking the link, you'll be redirected to this website, which is base44.com. So on the top here, let's first check out the pricing plans. Over here, you can view all the plans that they offer, starting with free, starter, builder, pro, and elite. You can check out all the features that they offer right below each plan. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans. So after checking them out, let's go over to the top right corner and click on Start Building. After that, you need to sign up or log in to your account. Here, you can select Login with Google or enter your email address. I will go with Google. Then choose your account from the options and click on Continue. You will then be redirected to the Base44 dashboard. And once you're in, you will get to see something like this. The first thing you see is this prompt box, which is where you get all the work done. Then the recent apps and the option to explore templates from the community. You can go through these templates and check out any of them. And also, you can switch between different types in order to view different templates. For example, content generation, HR and legal, etc. And on the top here, we have apps, integrations, app templates, hire a partner, affiliates, docs, and support. So first, let's start off with the prompt box. This is where you type in all your prompts. You can also see this ideas section to generate new ideas. You can also click on more ideas to get more options. Now, let's head over to the main prompt box and type in a prompt. I've pasted a prompt that I've prepared earlier. Make sure that is as detailed as possible. Then you can click on this plus icon and add any file or image from your device. So just choose the file and click on Open and it will be added as an attachment. And on the bottom right, you have the microphone icon which you can use to dictate your prompt. Now, let's just run the prompt. And as you can see, we now have a different interface. Over here on the left panel, you have the chat box. And as you can see, Base44 is now planning your app. And on the main screen here, you will get to see what exactly is happening. For example, building your idea. So if you go over to the top, you will see the project name and the option to view different version histories. Then you have the option to collapse the left panel and you can bring it out as well. After that, we have dashboard and preview. From here, you have the option to select different pages, but now we don't have the app ready yet. If you select the discuss option on the bottom left, you can then start chatting with Base44 in a conversational way. Then if you go to the settings icon, you will see options to choose the AI model. From here, you can go with automatic or choose manual. You need to upgrade to choose any different AI models. Then we have AI controls. Here, you can put in custom instructions and it will follow the instruction. So let's head back to the previous page. So as you can see, it now shows loading your app, and our app is now ready. You can view it live on the main screen, and if you go over to the top, you can choose your desired page. So over here, you can interact with the app and check how it functions. And as you can see, it is already pretty responsive. You can fill in different forms and test out different features of the app. So as you can see, we can click on all the buttons and view all the images and sections. Here, we can change the date and also add different numbers for the guests. This way, just go through everything and make sure it all works. So if you click on the three dots on the top right, you will get to see all of these options. And after that, you have the option to connect GitHub. But for that, you will need to upgrade your plan. On the left side, you can select between dashboard and preview. That way, your view of the app will change. So now, let's head over to the bottom left corner and click on the settings icon, then choose AI controls. Here, Under Custom Instructions, let's put in an instruction, such as keep dark theme and make it similar to booking.com. After that, click on Save Changes. And once done, it will start loading up. Give it some time to get done. It says loading your app. And once it's done loading, you will get to see the new changes being applied onto your app. Now, let's go ahead and put in another prompt on the chat box on the bottom left. Here, we gave it a new prompt to follow. And after putting in the prompt, let's run it. So as you can see, Base44 is now thinking. Then you will start getting an answer like this. Here, it will give you the entire plan and all the changes that it will make. So go through them carefully before making any changes. And as you can see, it says, would you like me to proceed with these changes? So let's type in yes and run it. So as you can see, it has now started working on all the changes it mentioned. Just give it some time to get done. And since it's working on the app directly, it usually takes quite a while, so you need to be patient and let it complete. So once it's done, you will get to see all the changes and their details right here on the chat. And if you go over to Dashboard, you will get to see all the contents of the app. And here, you can make any necessary changes and customizations according to your preference. So you can check out different sections like Overview, Users, Data, etc. And you will get up-to-date information right here. Next up, we have Analytics. Then there's Domains. Here, you'll be able to edit your domain information if you want. And then there's Integrations. We will need to upgrade in order to use this feature. After that, we have Security. You can scan for issues and the AI will start scanning your app. And once the scan is complete, you will get to see all the information just like this under Scan Results. If everything is secure, you will see something like this. Now, let's head over to Code. This is where you will be able to view all the codes that are generated by Base44 for your app. You can check through different sections, and if you want, you can make any manual changes to your code. Then we have Agents. Here, you can set up agents to make your work more efficient. Then we have Automations and Logs. Next, there is API. This is where you can get the API integration for your app. And lastly, there is Settings. From here, you can check out App Settings. If you scroll through this page, you will get to see all the settings available. Then we have Authentication and App Template. Now, let's head over to the Preview section, and here, you can change it between desktop view and mobile view. You can get a preview of both. And if your app is done, you can click on Publish on the top right corner. Here, you can set the publish settings and click on Publish App. And your app will be live and ready to go. And that's it. This way, you can create any app using Base44 without even knowing how to code. That is the Base44 AI tutorial for beginners.